A genetic pedigree is a visual representation of the genetic relationships between individuals in a family. It's often used in genetic counseling and research to track the inheritance of specific traits or diseases. Components of a pedigree: symbols. Each individual is represented by a symbol: circle female, square male, diamond unspecified sex, shaded symbol affected individual, half-shaded symbol carrier, someone who has the gene but doesn't exhibit the trait, dot within a symbol deceased individual. Lines connect individuals to show relationships. A horizontal line indicates a marriage or partnership, while a vertical line represents a parent-child relationship. In this example, the shaded symbols represent individuals with a genetic disorder. The vertical lines indicate parent-child relationships, and the horizontal line shows a marriage. Pedigrees can help determine if a trait is inherited dominantly, recessively, or in a more complex pattern. They can be used to estimate the risk of a genetic disorder in future offspring. Pedigrees are essential tools for genetic counselors to explain the risk of genetic conditions to families. Scientists use pedigrees to study the inheritance of specific traits and diseases.